Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword, it's a seismic shift, creating millionaires faster than any technology in history. For decades, the path to wealth often involved significant capital, specialized skills, or extensive networks. But today, AI is democratizing opportunity, allowing individuals from any background, even those starting from zero, to build lucrative online businesses. We're on the cusp of a technological revolution, and understanding how to harness AI is the key to unlocking unprecedented financial growth. Are you ready to discover how? Historically, building a business meant overheads, offices, employees, complex logistics. But AI is fundamentally reshaping this landscape. It's enabling a new generation of entrepreneurs to launch sophisticated operations with minimal resources, often from a spare room or a co-working space. Imagine running a full-fledged enterprise with global reach, generating significant income, all powered by intelligent algorithms rather than a large human workforce. This is not science fiction, it is the commercial reality of 2026, offering unprecedented leverage to the solo entrepreneur. What makes this era different is the accessibility of AI. You don't need a PhD in computer science or millions in venture capital to tap into its power. User-friendly AI tools are now available that can automate complex tasks, generate creative assets, and analyze vast datasets with incredible efficiency. These tools are designed for practicality, turning intricate algorithms into simple interfaces anyone can use. This means the playing field has leveled, allowing passion and creativity, amplified by AI, to be far more valuable than traditional barriers to entry. Our first powerful business model is AI content creation. This involves leveraging AI to produce high-quality content across various mediums, from engaging YouTube videos to informative blog posts and captivating newsletters. AI tools can generate scripts, write articles, design thumbnails, and even edit video footage at speeds previously unimaginable. This allows creators to publish content consistently and at scale, building massive audiences and monetizing their reach faster than ever before. Think of AI as your co-pilot in the vast world of digital media. Let's compare traditional content creation to its AI-augmented counterpart. Manually, producing a single high-quality article or video can take hours, even days, involving extensive research, writing, editing, and graphic design. This limits output and scalability. With AI, these timelines drastically shrink. A well-crafted prompt can generate an article draft in minutes, and AI-powered video editors can assemble footage and add effects in a fraction of the time. This efficiency difference isn't just about speed, it's about enabling a single individual to compete with entire media teams. The true power of AI in content creation extends beyond individual pieces. It's about automation. Imagine AI scheduling your posts, optimizing them for search engines, SEO, to reach a wider audience, or even analyzing engagement metrics to refine your future content strategy. Tools like advanced language models can help you understand what your audience wants and automatically adapt your style. This creates a self-sustaining content engine that works around the clock, allowing you to focus on strategy and creative direction, rather than repetitive tasks. It's about working smarter, not just harder. Next, let's explore AI service businesses. As AI becomes more integrated into every industry, companies are desperate for expertise in deploying and managing these powerful tools. This creates a massive demand for AI consultants, automation specialists, and prompt engineers. You can offer services like guiding businesses on AI integration, developing custom AI workflows, or crafting highly effective prompts for specific tasks. These are high-value services, meaning you can command premium rates by providing specialized knowledge that saves businesses time and money. One particularly hot skill is prompt engineering. A prompt is the input you give an AI model, like a specific instruction or question. Crafting effective prompts is an art and a science. It's about knowing how to talk to AI to get the best possible output. Companies are realizing that the quality of AI's work is directly tied to the quality of the prompts it receives. As a prompt engineer, you can help businesses get precise results from AI, whether it's for generating marketing copy, customer service responses, or complex data analysis. This specialized skill is becoming increasingly valuable. AI is also transforming the marketing landscape. You can establish an AI marketing agency, specializing in leveraging AI for hyper-targeted advertising, content personalization, and predictive analytics. Imagine campaigns that not only identify your ideal customer but also tailor messages specifically to their preferences, all automatically. AI can analyze vast amounts of consumer data to predict trends, optimize ad spend in real time, and even generate entire marketing campaigns from scratch. This level of precision and efficiency gives AI-powered agencies a significant edge in a competitive market. Our third model focuses on creating and selling AI-powered digital products. This is where the dream of passive income truly takes shape. You build a product once, and it can be sold an infinite number of times without significant additional effort or cost. AI can assist in the creation of a vast array of digital goods, from ebooks and online courses to specialized AI templates and prompt packs. These products require minimal overhead, offer high profit margins, and can be distributed globally in an instant. It's about leveraging AI to create valuable assets that generate income while you sleep. Consider ebooks and online courses. AI can be an invaluable assistant in writing, structuring, and even generating content for these products. For an ebook, AI can draft chapters, suggest topics, and even help with editing and formatting. For online courses, AI can assist in script writing, creating lesson plans, and designing interactive elements. Platforms like Gumroad or your own website can host these products, allowing customers to purchase and download them instantly. The beauty is that once created, these assets can provide a continuous revenue stream with minimal ongoing effort. Another fantastic digital product category involves AI templates and asset packs. People constantly need ready-to-use solutions for their businesses or personal projects. You can leverage AI to create customizable templates for platforms like Notion or Canva, generate unique digital art, or even compile prompt packs, collections of optimized prompts for various AI tasks. These products cater to a diverse audience, from small business owners seeking efficiency to other AI users looking for a head start. The market for well-designed, AI-generated digital assets is booming, offering a fertile ground for entrepreneurs. Our fourth model is AI eCommerce. This isn't just about setting up a store, it's about smart selling. AI can transform every aspect of your online retail business, from identifying winning products to writing compelling descriptions and optimizing your advertising spend. Imagine an AI assistant that analyzes market trends, predicts consumer demand, and even helps design unique products. This predictive power allows you to make data-driven decisions, reduce risk, and maximize profitability, making e-commerce more accessible and potentially more lucrative than ever before. One incredibly popular AI e-commerce niche is print on demand. With AI, you can design unique apparel, accessories, or home goods without ever touching inventory. AI design tools can generate countless variations of t-shirt graphics, mug designs, or phone cases based on your input. Once a design is chosen, platforms like Shopify integrate directly with print-on-demand services. When a customer orders, the item is printed and shipped directly by the supplier. This means no upfront inventory costs, no warehousing, and no logistical headaches, just pure design and sales leverage courtesy of AI. Beyond print-on-demand, AI can supercharge your sales on platforms like Amazon. AI tools can analyze competitor data, optimize your product listings for keywords, and even dynamically adjust pricing to maximize sales. Furthermore, AI-powered advertising platforms allow you to create highly effective ad campaigns with minimal manual input. These systems predict which audiences are most likely to convert, allocate your budget efficiently, and continuously refine strategies based on real-time performance. This means your ads reach the right people at the right time, turning clicks into customers more effectively. Finally, we have AI automation businesses. This model focuses on selling efficiency by building and implementing AI-powered workflow automations for other companies. Many businesses are bogged down by repetitive, manual tasks like customer service inquiries, email management, social media scheduling, or lead generation. You can become an expert in identifying these bottlenecks and then using AI tools to create seamless, automated solutions. This not only saves businesses immense amounts of time and money but also frees up their human employees to focus on more complex, creative tasks. You're selling the ultimate commodity, efficiency. The scope of AI automation is vast. Imagine automating customer service interactions with intelligent chatbots that can handle complex queries, or setting up AI to draft and personalize email marketing campaigns. For lead generation, AI can identify potential clients, scrape data, and even initiate personalized outreach. By integrating AI tools with existing business software like CRMs, you can create bespoke automation systems tailored to a client's specific needs. These solutions offer a clear, measurable return on investment for your clients, making your services highly desirable and sustainable. You become an architect of modern business efficiency. So, we've explored 5 powerful ways to make money online with AI: AI content creation, AI service businesses, AI digital products, AI e-commerce, and AI automation businesses. Each model offers unique opportunities for growth and income. The key takeaway here is not to try and master all of them at once. Instead, I encourage you to pick one model that genuinely excites you, dive deep, and commit to mastering it. Start small, learn continuously, and build momentum. The AI landscape is evolving rapidly, and the early adopters are the ones who will reap the biggest rewards. The biggest risk in the AI era is not using AI at all. It's not about being replaced by AI, it's about being outpaced by those who leverage it. The future of online business is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Don't be left behind. Start experimenting, start learning, and start building. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your first step into the world of AI-powered online income can begin today. If you're ready to embrace the future and build your financial freedom, then join our community.